Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 15 Plus, and today I will go over unboxing along with a quick look at this case from Karl Lagerfeld, or however you pronounce this. Sorry if I'm butchering it. Anyway, let's just get straight into it. So we do have a little bit of a sticker to cut through. Pulls out like a drawer. There we go. So, key things to keep in mind, we do have a MagSafe right over here. So obviously any kind of supported device will be able to kind of magnetically stick to whatever MagSafe chargers or whatever thing you have around. In addition, the back is plastic, as you can probably see, so it's fairly rigid. The edges of it are more of a silicone case. And kind of checking out something. The buttons have full cover, so the rubber actually circulates the button. The reason I'm pointing that out is because some cases tend to, or these are more rugged ones, tend to make a cut on the both sides, so pressing the button will be significantly easier. Though right here this shouldn't really be a problem because these buttons, or in this case silicone on the sides, isn't necessarily that thick, so like I said, it's not really giving that much problem on in terms of pressing it. When it comes down to the little switch right here, it's still accessible. On the 15 Plus we still have a little switch, while the Pro already has a button, as you can see right here. Now, in terms of protection, it fits over the camera lens protection that I have pre-installed right here. It would additionally cover up the lens pretty well, so when you place it down it should not be scratching up the lens at all. And in terms of fit, we do have cutouts in correct places, so for the speakers, charging port Type-C, and the buttons right here and here. So it fits pretty well. And we have the logo at the back, along with the markings and the MagSafe visible. So there we go, that's the case. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.